Today I'm going to show you how I build a top bar beehive using scrap construction material. I used the instructions from this book, Top Bar Beehive Beekeeping, Wisdom and Pleasure Combined, by Dr. Wyatt A. Mangum, PhD. Let's get to it. So I started out by making a template, one for the end piece and one for the side piece, and one for the bottom board. The front piece measures 17.5 inches across the top and 9 inches across the bottom, and the side boards are measured at 30 inches long and 12 inches across. Okay, now this is high body without the bottom board. I was only able to get the high bodies built today, and tomorrow I'll work on getting the bottom board and then start working on putting the frames across the top. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe and share this video to someone who you think should see it.